How to send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat. This tutorial shows you how to share photos from your gallery instead of taking a new one. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on the camera screen if you're not already there. From there, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. At this point, this opens your memories and camera roll. In the next step, tap on camera roll to view your saved photos. Following this, tap on the picture you want to send as a snap. Once done, the photo will open just like a regular snap with editing tools available on the right side. From here, add any text, stickers, or drawings if you'd like. At this stage, tap the arrow icon at the bottom right once you're ready to send it. Keep in mind, select the friends or story you want to send it to, just like sending any other snap. Finally, tap Send to share your normal picture as a snap. And that's it. If this guide helped you send normal pictures as snaps on Snapchat, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!